Welcome to another episode of Sunny Spaces. I'm your host, Brian Hawkins, and today we're in another gorgeous Sun Outdoors location just north of New Orleans here in Louisiana. As you walk into this model that sleeps 6, you're going to notice a really nice entertainment center and fireplace with a large TV for watching Netflix, Hulu, whatever you want to get into. Nice little mantle on top. Bluetooth speaker that's available, built-in fireplace, and then you're going to have a coffee table that can be moved out of the way for the couch that's going to sleep 2 kids as well. Bar area in the kitchen. You have so much room with all the cabinetry, full-size appliances, range, microwave, dishwasher, big basin sink, and a full-size fridge. We're hanging out for a week at a time, so you want to make sure that you can go shopping, go to the grocery store, bring your own stuff, or if you're just here for a couple nights, you still have plenty of space either way. You're going to have picture windows up top, air conditioning, and then as we come down hallway into this main level bedroom, storage on the right as well, so you can put 2 or 3 suitcases here, clothes in the drawers here for a week at a time. Really good use of space here too. Full-size bathroom hooked up to regular utilities for water, power, and sewer. As you walk into the main level bedroom, you have a full-size door for privacy that locks as well, queen-size bed, and more storage next to the bed. So plenty of countertop space to put your phone, your knickknacks, anything you need to charge all of your devices with that everyone has to travel with. Queen size bed is a great comfy place with 4 pillows, and then you get the headboard, kind of the accent wall in this bedroom as well. Really adds a nice little bit of color with the grays and browns to go with that. Sconces above, again, plenty of natural light throughout the entire rental. Your own mini split for air conditioning and heating that's in this unit, and your own TV in this main level bedroom too. You guys, there's so much in this unit for this that easily sleeps 6. Let's go take a look at some of the amenities around the resort. There are so many amenities at this resort, you guys, just north of New Orleans. You have things on the water itself like kayaking, fishing, and swimming. You have your own lazy river for the kids to enjoy and a couple of different pools, some of which are specifically just for the adults and the drinks that you're gonna get. You also have basketball, beach volleyball, pickleball, mini golf that's on site. You have an arcade that's on site for the kids. There are so many amenities at this resort, you're gonna run out of time before you run out of things to do. Thanks for being here with us at this awesome Sun Outdoors location just north of New Orleans. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the new Sun Outdoors channel. We'll see you at the next location.